What's up, guys? So you just bought land in RavenQuest and you want to claim your land and you need to find it and put your house down and start farming. I'm going to show you my techniques and tips and tricks here in this video. So let's get into it. So on the left side of the RavenQuest profile, you're going to see your land populating my NFTs. You go over to land claiming. You can pick any destination that you want that is not already claimed. The land is going to wipe when the game drops officially. So don't stress too much on where you put your land. So here you can see I'm at my land, but we have no markers, no indicators of anything showing me that this is where my land is until you go to the toggle house mode. You can see here that this one is green compared to the yellow ones next to me. I can do click land and then just click on it. Here you're going to position your house however you want. You're just going to put it in the corner. You got your land down, you're good to go. Now you can TP to your land, and there's a few other things that I'm going to explain. All right, guys, here is my game plan with upgrading my house. We're going to come to the top left, upgrade house. This is going to upgrade. Obviously the house mediums have 3 rooms. I need to upgrade to get to them 3 rooms. But we can see here requires 100 RavenQuest emblems, dense plank, refined plank, and nails. That's one good thing here to pay attention to, is this is not the house you're going to end up with. You can upgrade it. Also, if you have any decorations, just scroll through on the bottom to see if you have any. Here you can place a different room that you want: blacksmithing, weaving, kitchen. You can see each one costs different resources. Okay, so here I have a small bedroom that gained 5 additional experience from all sources. I'm going to use this one because I don't need to do any crafting. I'm going to do that all in RavenQuest. So we hit the arrow key on your keyboard and this will swap the place that you can put it. All right, I'm going to put it down. Ooh, here's the medium bedroom. Simple bed, cheap rug, storage container. That is cool. Definitely something to keep an eye on is you want to just probably get some experience. 5 additional experience from all sources is not a bad idea. Don't forget you can invite your friends here. Claim your land once you find it, like I showed you in the beginning. Got some info. All straightforward. Looking good. Nice land plot. I was able to get quite a few potatoes on here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.